Hi guys, I am back with the mini. So I have some gel polish here that I found on Amazon. I believe it's called Canni or Canni, I'm not sure. But what I did notice that it is a HEMA free gel polish. So I don't know if this is good for people who have HEMA sensitivities or allergies, so I don't know. So it came, I bought the top no wipe top coat and the base coat that was sold in a set, and then the 6 polishes were sold in a set. And I thought I had recorded opening the polishes, but I guess not. I guess I cut that footage out. So I have some almond shaped short nail tips here that I think these are not model ones, Maniology full coverage nail tips. And so out of the kit, I decided to use the pink and the tan. I do like these polishes. I do. I thought the bottles were aesthetically pleasing. They looked nice. The color of the polish is actually the color in the bottle. They were a nice, highly pigmented colors. And I did purchase these with my own money. And the brush was nice. Like it was a nice, like the short, thick brush. It spread and it just polished so smooth on the nail. And so now what I did notice though, and it says on the Amazon site, because I got these off Amazon, do not apply a thick layer of gel polish. You want to apply your layers as thin as possible. But I messed up on that first nail because the tan color was too thick, and so when I pulled it out of the lamp, it did wrinkle. I didn't do the nail over because number one, I wasn't at home when I recorded this video, and I didn't have another nail tip, and that's why my iPad is a little shaky because I got a stand that connects to the table, and so every time I move the table or put my elbows on the table, it shook a little bit. But anyway, I digress. These colors were really, really pretty. Perfect for spring, or actually you can wear those year round. Let me be clear. I don't even know I'll be talking about colors in the fall, winter, spring. I'll be wearing whatever color I want to it at whatever time. It don't even matter. Do what you're gonna do. And so I'm just applying a thin layer of gel polish to all of the full coverage nail tips, and then I will pop those in the lamp and cure for a full 60 seconds, and then I will apply a second thin layer of gel polish and cure for 60 seconds. Again, I actually like these so much, I went on the site the next day and purchased another set because they have a set of, I think, blues, and so I do want to use those. So no complaints whatsoever. Now I did not polish my own nails with this. I just like polishing the nail tips because you can just reuse them. Why not? And so after I get that second coat of color on the nail and cured, I am going in with the alcohol prep pad, and I'm going to wipe the inhibition layer off of the nail from curing because I'm going to go in with some nail stickers on these nails. And so yeah, and you can see where I wiped that off, and some of that polishes on that alcohol pad. And so I have like some roses type nail sticker. They have like, they're pink with gold, and it was hard as heck to get this off this paper. I think I got these either off Shein or Temu, however you say it, Temu. And I'm just peeling those off with some nail art tweezers and applying those to the nail. You still don't want to touch the nail because it still has that tacky layer of gel polish. And so that's why I'm using the end of the nail art tweezers to smooth out that sticker so that it will lay as flat as possible on the nail. So for the tan nails, I do apply this one of the roses to each nail, and then for the nail beside this nail, the thumbnail, I am going to apply I forgot what the word says, but it's some gold verbiage on that nail sticker sheet. I'm going to apply that to one nail, and then I'm going to go in with some AB rhinestones. And I do like AB rhinestones because they kind of take on the color of whatever nail they are on. And once I do that, I am going to go in with some base coat from the same company, base coat, and cure for 60 seconds. And then I'll go in with the top coat and cure for 60 seconds as well. And so here are the nails after base coat. I'm going in with top coat, and look at that brush. I was like, oh, this is a brown top coat brush. I don't know why I got excited about that, but because I don't hardly see brown brushes on nail polish bottles. And so I'm just applying a nice even coat on the nail for that top coat, and it is a no wipe top coat, and then I'm going to pop those in the lamp and cure. But you can see that brush spreads out real nice. I have no complaints. That polish wasn't too thin and it wasn't too thick. So anyway, but yeah, I'm gonna cure that and we're gonna keep it moving. So here are the nails. See how nice and shiny they are? Nice and shiny. And so I do apply these to the nail with some sticky tabs. I thought they were so cute, look like little eggs. But guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.